We have another unboxing today, guys. I am super excited about what I have coming up. I am working on expanding my catalog, giving you guys more to love. If this is your first time seeing me and seeing lobolashes.com, hello, my name is Lauren and I run lobolashes.com, an e-commerce lash store where I am working to fulfill all your lash needs. One of the reoccurring requests I've had for lashes is glitter lashes. Too many girls have asked me about them for me not to have them. So guess what this is? You got it, you got it. Such a smart cookie. Okay. Another thing that I got a lot of questions on were Russian strip lashes. Look at those bad boys. That's a cute style. Nice and full, nice and curly. It's blue and pink glitter. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? We had Cruella, but Cruella did not have that silver glitter. Oh, that is so fire. I am kind of like fangirling out right now. These are too freaking cute. Any summer festivals coming on? Look at that pink. Look at that. The camera's really not doing it justice. This is just a sneak peek though. But so far, I'm loving it. Oh, like I'm gonna have so much fun with these styles. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little sneak peek of what's to come, what to look for, because I got some good stuff. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.